Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts. We're in the kitchen, and we're here to help you decide which food dehydrators to buy today. As always, don't worry about taking any notes. All the links for the products we mention are in the description below. A food dehydrator is an excellent kitchen tool for making nutritious, home-cooked snacks and meals. It comes in handy for everything from producing your own beef jerky, fruit leather, and fruit chips to taking your camping and backpacking meals to the next level. Food dehydrators come in a variety of sizes and models, and many come with additional accessories to help you get the most out of your machine. In this video, we've compiled a list of best food dehydrators to help you in finding the right dehydrator for your needs. The team has prepared this list for you through comprehensive research. The food dehydrators that have been selected have been chosen based on product features, reviews in the marketplace, quality of finish, and price. And where possible, we have been mindful of the different types of buyers. We do suggest you stick around until the end to see who wins the #1 position on our list. Before we begin, be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay with us in the kitchen, especially if you are interested in more informational list-related content just like this one. Remember, you can find the options to our list in the description down below, as well as timestamps to help you navigate through the video. The food dehydrator coming in at number 5 on our list is the Hamilton Beach Digital Food Dehydrator. The Hamilton Beach Digital Food Dehydrator is incredibly easy to set up. It comes fully assembled and ready to use right out of the box. You will be ready to start the dehydration process after a quick rinse of the 5 stackable BPA-free drying trays that were stored on top of the machine. This food dehydrator has stackable 5 trays, a fine mesh tray for drying herbs, and a solid tray for producing fruit rolls. The unit's base is stainless steel, and it features a panel with digital thermostat and timer settings. It is worth noting that the digital features were quite convenient. Our team loved the fact that we didn't need to babysit the appliance, waiting for it to switch off or rotate the trays. These features were a big plus considering the length of the food dehydrating process and the unit's moderate noise level. We also like how easy the unit is to use. We simply stacked the fruits and vegetables on the trays and checked on them as needed via the clear plastic top. Since you can see through the top, you don't have to lift the lid to check the temperature inside. Our team would like to highlight that the trays of the Hamilton Beach Food Dehydrator can be hand washed or rinsed in the dishwasher. Foods like jerky or fruit leathers may require some cleaning or soaking from time to time, but the trays are generally easy to clean. The Hamilton Beach Digital Food Dehydrator provides excellent value for money. This low-cost model comes with useful features that most similarly priced versions lack. With its features such as a digital timer and a temperature gauge, it earns the 5th spot on our list. The food dehydrator coming in at number 4 on our list is the Broad and Tailored SAHARA Folding Food Dehydrator. Large amounts of fruits, vegetables, or meats can be dried in the Broad and Tailored SAHARA Dehydrator. You can also use the silicone mats as an accessory to make fruit leathers from your smoothies. Our team would like to highlight that the SAHARA Food Dehydrator's optimized air circulation is achieved by making a low silent noise. Its highly efficient fan circulates a mixture of fresh air and hot air to offer the food a drying advantage while also saving energy. The air filter is washable and reusable, which is fantastic because it keeps dirt and impurities out of the dehydrator. It is worth mentioning that the power source for the SAHARA Folding Dehydrator is 700 watts. This has more than enough power to dehydrate large fruits or meats at high temperatures. Our team found that this food dehydrator also boasts a dual heater system that automatically converts to a lower power option for more efficient performance when food is partially dry or for lower temperatures while dehydrating raw food. You can quickly configure 2 timers and 2 temperature settings with its easy-to-use dual timer and temperature control system. This makes it easier for your food to dehydrate. It has real glass doors with stainless steel hinges, which make the dehydrator acid resistant and gives it a high gloss finish. While the SAHARA Folding Food Dehydrator is more expensive than the other similar models due to its total size, the rotary fan dehydrator's exceptional drying capability makes the extra cost well worth it. This product is recognized for its durability and longevity. With the machine's foldable design that makes it simple to clean and maintain, we have decided to place it at number 4 on our list. The food dehydrator coming in at number 3 on our list is the NESCO Gardenmaster Pro Dehydrator. The NESCO Gardenmaster's digital temperature and time settings set it apart from other dehydrators on the market. The temperature can be adjusted between 95 and 160 degrees Fahrenheit, and there's a handy guide on top of the fan unit to help you remember which setting to use. Our team would like to highlight that you can dehydrate food for up to 48 hours and have the unit switch off automatically if you set the timer. This option can be a lifesaver if you're going to be out of the house when dinner is supposed to be ready. With its 1000-watt motor, you don't need nearly as much drying time, only 6 to 10 hours for fruit and 10 hours for jerky. When the fan is running, it is audible, but that is to be expected from any dehydrator. Our team would like to make mention that this food dehydrator is very easy to clean. The trays are well made and can withstand hand cleaning in the sink. They are also dishwasher safe as long as you place them in the top rack. You don't have to worry about food or fluids dripping into this model because it has a top-mounted fan. After cleaning the trays, all you have to do is wipe out the interior and dry it before putting it back in the cabinet. The NESCO Gardenmaster Pro Dehydrator is for you if you want to produce dehydrated snacks at home but don't want to have to babysit your appliance. Although it is more expensive than the other products on our list, it will save you a significant amount of money in the long term. It's also a remarkable performer because of its quiet motor, quick drying times, and intuitive digital settings. For this reason, it earns the number 3 spot on our list. The food dehydrator coming in at number 2 on our list is the Excalibur food dehydrator. This food dehydrator is a large rectangular box composed of stainless steel and plastic panels that measure 12.5 inches tall by 17 inches wide by 19 inches deep. Our team would like to make mention that the front door completely opens to show 9 tray slots or 5 trays in the lower end unit. The heating element and a powerful 7-inch fan circulate the heated air at the back of the machine. This 9-tray electric food dehydrator features a drying space of 15 square feet, which is plenty of room for your favorite foods. It has a 26-hour timer and a thermostat that can be adjusted. The temperature varies from 105 degrees Fahrenheit to 165 degrees Fahrenheit, which is low enough for fruits and vegetables but high enough for jerky dehydration. In this dehydrator, cooking foods at a temperature of no more than 115 to 118 degrees preserves nutrients and enzymes. Our team would like to highlight that the Excalibur's parallax horizontal airflow helps the food dehydrate faster, retain more nutrients, and look and taste better without requiring tray movement. It has flexible polyscreen tray inserts that prevent meals from sticking, and the trays do not need to be changed or rotated while in use. The Excalibur isn't the cheapest dehydrator on the market, but it is without a doubt one of the most high-grade options available. While you may pay a few dollars more for the Excalibur than for some other less expensive options, you will be getting a long-lasting, dependable device. This is why we felt that this product deserves to be included on our top 5 list. And finally, we come to the number 1 food dehydrator on our list, COSORI Premium Food Dehydrator. The COSORI Premium Food Dehydrator doesn't have a lot of bells and whistles, but it has everything you need to dehydrate foods safely and quickly. Even if this is your first time dehydrating foods, the digital control panel is intuitive and easy to use. The buttons were self-explanatory and were able to respond instantly to touch, making the device extremely simple to use. Our team would like to highlight that the time or temperature, decrease, increase, and start or stop are the 4 functions of this food dehydrator. The temperature varies from 95 to 165 degrees Fahrenheit, and you can program it for up to 48 hours in 30-minute increments. Our team would like to make mention that automated shutoff is one of the best features of this food dehydrator. The COSORI Premium Food Dehydrator has a classic stainless steel appearance. It has black accents that create a beautiful contrast around the door and on the face where the display sits in. While the design isn't very extravagant or distinctive, it blends in well with the rest of your appliances. It is worth mentioning that the front includes a big glass door so you can keep an eye on your food as it dehydrates, which many people prefer over stacked style food dehydrators that must be opened when checking. The COSORI Premium Food Dehydrator is versatile, powerful, attractively designed, and reasonably priced. Overall, it is an all-around good device that aims to please both beginners and pros alike. For all these reasons, we can't deny the fact that this product deserves to be at the top on our today's list. And there you have it, folks, the 5 food dehydrators which got our team at In the Kitchen excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next food dehydrator roundup, which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below and we'll be sure to look it over for our next update. If you liked the video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you in the kitchen again soon.